Hey guys, so right now we are adopting random people and it's really funny. See, everybody's crying and everybody's upset and it's actually hilarious. Because there's 13 of us and in a small den is really funny, and I'm here with Avery Bird and Remy Stuffed Animal and she's trying to get adopted. Oh wait, that's somebody else. Okay. So yeah. And currently they are trying to be adopted in, even though I already adopted them. So like Tiger Lover is trying to get adopted, and then so is 0716, Carla Paz, and Wiremoo, and it's really funny. So yeah, that's what's happening at my den. And then there's a hotel at Pugs 100's den, apparently. So here it is. Let's try to win. Fail. Yeah, so this is me trying to role play, and so far it hasn't been working out. This pillow room thing is like not for me, I guess. So I'm pretty sure Sabrina Forrest does role plays, so we're gonna do that. No, it's like where you try to survive in the forest or something. Here we go. Growl, because you know, like I'm like dangerous, so I'm gonna like kick everyone. Or I'm scary, fear me. Like how would I don't even understand. Oh, okay. Sleeps with. That is not awkward at all. So now we're sleeping. Oh. There's that. Meow. Now I'm a cat, I guess. Alright. Sleeps. This is boring. Why do you guys do this? Let's try a different Sabrina Forest. Let's go to draw. Like, I just don't get it.
Do you want this?
Oh, no, I want to go to Sabrina.
What is
or
that?
Saparina.
Oh, it's for the...
Oh, nobody's here. Okay, let's fire. Like, I don't even understand. Okay, so, in my den, say I if you want to get adopted. I.
So, I want to go to bed.
Okay. I'm a baby bunny, see? Meow. Alright, well that's it for today, I guess, because I just need tips on role-playing. Eats wolf. Like, I just don't understand, like, I'm not actually eating them. Crawls away happily. So now I'm crawling away, but I don't... Opens door, even though I'm walking right through it, because, you know, it's not even here. Eats. So now I'm just eating this, so alright, we're gonna go to bed now. Say goodbye, and shout out to Avery Bird and Remy Stuffed Animals. Bye!